Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with essentials, power and proximity. Put both earbuds in the charging case, then make sure the case has charge. This prevents mid-pair failures. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and keep the phone unlocked. Open the AirPods Pro case next to the device and press the small setup button on the back until the status light flashes white. This initiates pairing mode so your phone can discover the AirPods quickly. Do this now to move to connection confirmation. You should see a pairing pop-up. Tap it immediately. This exchanges authentication and finalizes the connection. After pairing, follow prompts to name your AirPods Pro, enable Siri or voice assistant, and choose initial noise control settings. Make sure to test active noise cancellation versus transparency so you understand how each affects sound and situational awareness. Then, go into Bluetooth settings to customize press and hold or squeeze gesture. You're almost done. Check for any firmware updates in settings. Updates fix bugs and improve battery life, so install them if offered. Next, perform the ear tip fit test to ensure a proper seal for bass and noise cancellation. Swap tips until the test shows a good fit. If audio, mic, or pairing issues persist, reset the AirPods Pro by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then repair. If problems continue, restart your phone and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.